Hey, Collin, this is Vinny Wells at Tameron Hyundai. Thanks for inquiring about the beautiful Elantra GT. It comes with a honeycomb grille, daytime running lights, fog lights, 17-inch alloy wheels, heated side mirrors with blind spot detection, rear spoiler and windshield wiper. On the inside, we see this particular model comes with a beautiful leather interior, 8-inch display with Google Android and Apple CarPlay. This beautiful vehicle comes with a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which here at Tameron Hyundai we double to 20 years, 200,000 miles. Vinny Wells, 334-313-7131. Come down to see us at Tameron Hyundai. You're going to love the way you're treated.